is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Skin. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the heaviest metal among gold or silver? Gold. Who invented the computer? Charles Babbage. What is 1024 kilobytes equal to 1 megabyte, that is MB? Which organ is referred to as the brain of the computer? Answer: CPU. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York City. Which is the largest river in the world? Nile. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Answer: Goa. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer: camel. Which flower is white in color? Answer: jasmine. How many colors are there in the national flag? 3. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which planet is known to thrive in deserts? Cactus. What is the shape of an egg? Oval. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. Which language is the most widely spoken in the world? Mandarin Chinese. What is the folk dance of Punjab called? Giddha. What is the cry of a lion called? Roar. Which organ in our body purifies blood? Kidneys. Who discovered gravity? Sir Isaac Newton. What is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. Which river flows through Agra? Yamuna. What is the capital of the USA? Washington DC. Which organ helps human breath? Lungs. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. What do you call a baby kangaroo? Joy. Who painted the painting of Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Which Indian state is famous for its tea gardens? Assam. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. What do we call animals that only eat plants? Herbivores. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Who is called the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which day is celebrated as International Yoga Day? 21st of June. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Jaipur. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Bee hummingbird. Who is the inventor of the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? France. What is the study of weather called? Meteorology. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. When is India's Independence Day celebrated? 15th of August. What is the name of the weak zone of the Earth's crust? Seismic. Where was India's first National Museum opened? Mumbai. In 2019, which popular singer was awarded the Bharat Ratna Award? Bhupen Hazarika. The World Nation 5G mobile network was launched by which country? South Korea. When was Pravasi Bhartiya Divas held in Vanaras? 2019. Vijay Singh, the golf player, is from which country? Fiji. What is the full form of DRDL? Department of Research and Development Laboratory. The green planet in the solar system is Uranus. The father of Indian missile technology is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the reason behind the bats flying in the dark? Answer: when they produce high-pitched sound called ultrasonics. Which of these is the smallest scale industry in India? Handloom industry. Which of these is the plant important in sericulture? Mulberry. The largest public sector undertaking in the country is railways. At which place on earth are there days and nights of equal length always? Equator. In 2017, who was appointed as the new brand ambassador for Swachh Bharat mission? Shilpa Shetty. The study of heavenly body is known as astronomy. Why is the color of papaya yellow? Answer: Caricazanthine. What is the name of the first Indian woman who wins the Man Booker Prize? Arundhati Roy. सो गाइस, इसी के साथ हमारी ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड होती है। आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। मिलती हूँ आपसे बहुत जल्द नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन टेक केयर, गुड बाय।